Alright, Friday, July 18th, 2025. So, just some updates on this crank no start. Started with zero oil pressure, or zero fuel pressure. I replaced lift pump, still zero fuel pressure. I replaced the fuel bowl with the regulator, fuel regulator, still zero pressure. However, it now does build up to 35 if you crank long enough. So yesterday pulled the valve cover on the driver's side and noticed it was missing this bolt. So I replaced it. Tried to crank it, no start still. I thought, okay, I'm gonna pop the passenger side off. Same story, that side was missing. And just a little backstory on this is I bought this truck with the injectors pulled out of it. 7 of the 8 were removed, and I took over from there and reinstalled new injectors, and I swear I saw both of these installed on this side, and I can't confirm on the other side, but my thought always was to go in and just check to make sure that they were tight, and I didn't do that. It would have taken literally 60 seconds to find the wrench and just check to see if they were tight, but I didn't do that, and here I am now doing that later. So yeah, if you buy one of these and you've got a crank no start, I would definitely just check the O-rings on these, check the tightness. I'm going to find out if that has anything to do with oil pressure. I was told it doesn't by someone who works on these all the time, but I also Googled it, and once I added in 7.3, it said yes, low oil pressure will create low fuel pressure. So who knows? I'll know here in a short while.